Hello and welcome to DPA Product of the Year. Today, I'm very pleased to have Mr. Daryl Sharp of Phoenix Contact with me, who's going to be talking to us about Trio Power. So Daryl, you have 3 minutes to convince our readers as to why Trio Power should be the DPA Product of the Year. Over to you.
Hello, I'm Daryl Sharp, Product Manager for Power Supplies at Phoenix Contact. I'm thrilled to introduce to you a power solution built for the real world of industrial engineering. Trio Power for panel mounting isn't just a power supply, it's a smart foundation for resilient systems. If you've ever lost sleep or time over the EMI performance of your build, you want to hear this. So what is it and what problems does it solve? Trio Power for panel mounting is a 24 volt or 48 volt industrial power supply built to handle requirements for power between 1 and 10 kilowatt in tight spaces. Designed for direct mounting without a DIN rail, it's ready to power various applications in today's world. Power stability isn't a luxury, it's mission critical. Unplanned downtime, voltage fluctuations, and space constraints all create costly bottlenecks. Trio Power for panel mounting solves these issues by delivering consistent output, excellent efficiency, and installation flexibility. Let's look at the features and differentiators. It is a compact footprint with flexible mounting. It's robust and reliable with power reserves and strong EMC performance. Has a greater than 93% efficiency for sustainable operations. Enables easy power increase with parallel connections with its integrated O-ring diode, and has diagnostic LEDs and remote access for instant system visibility. It's not just about the specs though, it's about performance under pressure. When machines run 24/7, you need a power supply that's reliable even under tough temperatures or external interferences. What's the real world impact? One of our OEM partners integrated the Trio Power into a panel system using high-speed batch. With the flexible mounting and by cutting install time by 30%, they not only improved the throughput, but saw a measurable increase in stability during flows. The result? Reduced line stoppages, longer service intervals, and a greater peace of mind. And for their customer, reliability became a selling point, not just a question. Why this matters and who's it for? With energy costs climbing and space shrinking, Trio Power for panel mounting is built for the moment. Machine builders, panel designers, and integrators are under pressure to deliver systems that are fast to install and built to last. This product delivers where it counts, engineering simplicity with zero compromise on performance. To learn more, visit phoenixcontact.co.uk or reach out to me for a demo. If Trio Power for panel mounting made an impact on you, help us take it all the way, share this video, and vote for us as your DPA Product of the Year.
That's brilliant, Daryl. That's a very strong case that you've made for Trio Power. So if you'd like to find out more about Trio Power, please follow the link at the end of the video. And as Daryl says, if you would like to see this as Product of the Year, then please like, comment, and share, just so that they can generate the views that will make this Product of the Year. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.